Hi everyone, welcome back to Bling Girls channel. My name is Barbara. If this is your first time watching, hi, welcome, and welcome back. If you are not brand new and you've been with me, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Guys, I'm back in the kitchen again. I get so many requests to do cooking videos. So what we're doing today is making some homemade rice pudding. If you guys saw my last cooking video of the chicken Cuban cuisine I made, this is some leftover brown cooked rice that I put into about, I would say, a little bit over a cup of unsweetened almond milk in the saucepan first, about a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, dash of cinnamon, maybe less than a teaspoon, because I eyeball it, guys, and some monk fruit allulose sugar, I would think 2 tablespoons. I mixed that all together, let it come to a simmer, and I didn't let it come to a boil, just a simmer, and then I brought it down to medium-low, and I have 6 more minutes left, and this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, so if you want your rice pudding a thicker consistency, leave it uncovered for all this time, so about 10-15 minutes. If you want your rice pudding to have that creamier texture and you like to have that creamy goodness, then you want to cover it for that whole time. I am opting to keep it uncovered because I don't want it too creamy. And then when this is done, you can put raisins on it. You want to put it in the fridge for about 3 hours unless you like your rice pudding warm. I like mine colder, so I'm going to be putting this in the fridge for about 3 hours after it cools down, of course. You never want to put anything hot in your refrigerator. And then you can top this with crushed walnuts, crushed almonds. You can do raisins. You can do coconut flakes, like unsweetened coconut flakes. You can do chocolate chips, whatever your heart desires. You can do almond butter, peanut butter, whatever you want. You can even do raw cacao powder in this to make it like a chocolate rice pudding. And if you're gonna do that, you wanna add that when it's cooking. All right, so I will show you how I put these away in the refrigerator when this cools down, okay? All right, so this is where we're at. You see that? I did put on another 5 minutes on the timer. I had two minutes left, so I did another 5. A little bit past 2 minutes left. Okay, if you want it that consistency, go right ahead and shut this down and wait for it to cool. I would say about 20 minutes for cooling time. You can do little mason jars. I have those little glass ones, but from moving and everything, I don't know what I did with the lids. I don't know if I got rid of them. I have no idea. So I'm going to be using little plastic containers. That's why if you're going to be using plastic, definitely wait for this to cool down. But yeah. Now, if you're wondering if you can make this from scratch, you absolutely can. You still always have to cook your rice though, you know, first. And that's what I did. But this is a really good way to just use leftover rice. And this is brown rice. It's healthier. It's a complex carb. It's not going to raise your blood sugar. So it's not white rice. So this is not delicious. So it's definitely going to look that pretty brown color. And this is perfect going into fall, guys. I told you I cook a lot in the fall. I know we're still in August, but I'm telling you, it's just going so quick, so quick. So let me in the comments, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have went on vacation, if you go swimming. I have not been to a lake swimming in going on 2 years almost, ever since the move and everything. And my mom, if you guys are new to my channel, I do take care of my mama. She lives with me. She's 81. She does go to a day program. And my daughter, they're both special needs. I take care of both of them. So it's difficult to get out and go to the lake and things like that. But that's okay. I love cooking in the kitchen. I love doing fashion videos, and this is a lifestyle video, right? So We're gonna go though. Me and my husband, we're gonna go. My daughter doesn't really like the lake, but we're gonna try to get her to go. I just been tired. You know, if you are a caregiver, you know what that's like. You can get caregiver burnout. So I guess you can say that's what happened to Barbara here. And I am just getting back to where I need to be. So I'm in the kitchen cooking. I'm doing what I love again. And yeah, so really enjoying life, right? And that's what God wants us to do. Alrighty, so this is where we're at. See that? Now, if you want it thicker, you can put on another 5 minutes, 7 minutes, or something like that. Just make sure you keep it on a 3 so you don't scale the bottom of your pan. You don't, you know, get it burned or anything. And see that? If you like it like that, that's like falling off the spoon. But oh, that's so good. This is how I like mine almost. It's almost there. So if you do like it creamier, then you want to cover it, like I said. But oh my gosh, this is so good. Alrighty. Let me show you how this looks after it cools down. Alrighty, so this is how it looks. I didn't fill them all the way to the top, but these are 1/2 cup containers. And that's it. They're going to go into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Again, if you like your rice put in warm, you can definitely have it like this. But this is the consistency. Love, love, love. Alrighty, guys. If you love cooking videos and you want to see more, give this video a like. And I upload fashion lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll be notified every single week that I post a new video. All right, guys, until next time, keep it real, keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day, friends. And if life gives you lemons, make some lemonade. Bye for now.